So in this session we will see how to create a new GitHub account. So first of all, you have to go to google.com and yes, you have to write github.com. This is the official website of GitHub. Remember, GitHub is an open source website where you can just upload your projects and code, and even you can collaborate with other friends and colleagues, and you can even contribute to the open source project, right? So it is totally free and open source, so you can use it. So first you have to create a new account. For that you need to click on here, sign up. So here is your interface open, and the first thing that you need to do is to write your email address. So I have written my email address and I press the enter, and now I have to create a password. Now this password is strong, and now I have to just press the continue, and now we need to write a username. Now this username is available, so I'm gonna just say enter this, and now it's asking what would you like to receive the products update as an announcement via email. I just press N because I don't want to. Now we need to verify that we are human, so we need to solve some puzzles. And now, as I have just created the captcha, now I have to enter the code that has been sent to my Gmail account and enter here. And now this is the another window. How many teams member will you be working with you? And just me, an individual. Are you a student? So you can just continue on student. Collaborative coding. You can just select this, or it's not just and that much necessary for you. You can press the continue, and this is the free. You can also apply for GitHub student benefits, but right now we'll just press for free. And here now, congratulations, your GitHub account has been created. So this is the dashboard of your GitHub account, and there are some of the features. It may seem a quite bit confusing because there are many options that you will you're gonna see here on the dashboard, but in the future videos I will tell you each and every option, how does every option work, how to create a new repository, how to change the theme, and all of the other things. So make sure you watch all of the upcoming videos about the Git and GitHub, and I hope you will enjoy it. And you can just press out the top right corner, and here you can see there's your profile. You can just click on this,